If you want to get more views and higher search rankings for your videos, then you need to have better engagements and high audience retention rates. Stay tuned, as I'll show you how to create more interesting and more engaging video content. My name is Mo Salah. If this is your first time here, let me introduce myself. I'm a YouTube expert and consultant. I help businesses and YouTubers to grow their YouTube channels to get more views, more engagement, and ultimately more conversions. In this video, I will share with you some practical steps that you can start implement right away to make your videos more engaging, to bring in more views and increase your watch time. 1. Hook your audience. You need the viewer to actually watch your content. You have to understand what their problem is and provide them with the solution in the video. At this time, your audience will know that something exciting is coming and you're going to help them all the way till the end of the video. Don't forget to deliver what you promised, or the viewers will be disappointed and click off. Question: how to get your viewers' attention? 2. Add B-roll footage. Add graphics to your videos like logo, video intros, free stock video footage and video clips, lower thirds and video transitions. All you need is to eliminate the boredom and break up the scene. I used to add pictures and images to my videos. Be sure that you comply with the licensing requirements of all the graphics you use. 3. Use attractive YouTube video titles. Your video title should encourage viewers to click and watch the video. It should be attention-grabbing and something that evokes curiosity. Make sure that your titles answer these questions in the mind of your audience. Is the video will answer my question? Is that what I'm looking for? And does this video going to be worth my time? Don't use clickbait titles and make sure your titles delivers what's expected. 4. Professional video editing. Learn how to do cool editing tricks. Use jump cuts to remove unnecessary filler words. 5. Use background music. This will help to make your video more exciting. Make sure that your voice is clear enough throughout the video. You don't want the music volume to be higher than your voice. 6. Use call to action (CTA) at the beginning of videos. It's better to ask for engagements like leaving comments or questions at the beginning of your videos. A lot of people never watch your video till the end, so you'll miss that part if you ask for it at the end. Did this video help you? Are you going to apply these steps? Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, hit the like button below and let's know what you think in the comments below. Build a successful video marketing strategy and grow your business YouTube channel. Do that by subscribing and clicking on the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. A lot of videos are coming your way. I'll see you on the next video.